Hi, my name is Avril. I'm sharing with you about consistency in posting as a digital marketer. So, new to digital marketing, don't give up too soon. The secret is consistency. Keep showing up, be present across your platforms, share content to solve real problems, build trust. With consistent value, growth follows over time. Stay consistent, stay visible, keep growing. Small actions today build lasting impact. Your audience is watching. Keep showing up. Your future self is counting on you. Keep going. You're building something that lasts. So if this helps you to understand that, keep going into digital marketing, keep posting on social media. It's so important. This is what you got to do. This is how you're going to grow your business. So if you want to subscribe to me, you're more than welcome. Thank you.